Ever looked at the sun and wondered if it's always calm and glowing peacefully? Spoiler alert, it's not. The sun has a wild side, full of dark spots and explosive tantrums. Let's dive into the fascinating world of sunspots and solar flares. Let's start with sunspots. These are dark patches on the sun's surface, cooler than the surrounding areas. But don't be fooled, they're still insanely hot, around 3,800 degrees Kelvin. Compare that to the surrounding surface, which blazes at over 5,700 degrees Kelvin. Sunspots are caused by intense magnetic activity. These magnetic fields are so strong they actually block heat from rising to the surface, creating those darker, cooler spots. Often sunspots come in pairs or groups connected by massive magnetic loops, and when those loops snap or tangle, well, things get fiery. Boom! That's when a solar flare erupts. These are sudden, intense bursts of radiation caused by magnetic energy being released near sunspots. It's like the sun throwing a giant tantrum. A powerful solar flare can release as much energy as 1 billion hydrogen bombs going off at once. That energy shoots across the solar system in all directions. But what happens when one hits Earth? Our planet's magnetic field acts like a giant shield, protecting us. But solar flares can still disrupt things like satellites, GPS signals, and even power grids. In fact, back in 1859, a solar flare triggered the Carrington Event, a massive geomagnetic storm that lit up the skies with auroras as far south as the Caribbean and fried telegraph systems across Europe and North America. Solar flares come in classes A, B, C, M, and X, with X being the most powerful. Scientists monitor them closely, especially during the solar maximum, when the sun's activity peaks in its 11-year cycle. So next time you're enjoying a sunny day, just remember, our star isn't always peaceful. Beneath that warm glow lies a world of magnetic mayhem. Like this cosmic chaos? Hit that like button, subscribe for more space wonders, and let me know in the comments. Would you survive a solar flare apocalypse? Visual text on screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the universe.